Hi, table tennis lovers. Let me introduce myself first. I am Nagraj, a veteran player from Karnataka. I play above 70 group, 70 to 75, and I have even participated in the Masters Games, Vadodara at Gujarat recently and won some of the medals like one bronze medal, one silver medal and one gold medal in the above 70 category. Now I have made table tennis as my hobby. After my retirement, I used to play in the younger days, but after 60 years, 65 years I started playing. Now due to lockdown, my practices are not there and my coaching camp is not running. Therefore, I have invented a small return board, table tennis return board. This is very common. Everybody has got it at home, but I have made it on my own, a simple way, so that I can practice on my own at home. And when my coaching camps opens, I can even train the kids and the players on this. I'll just demonstrate to you the piece which I have got here. Just see how it looks. This is called as a return board. This can be turned in any angle, and this can also go to any angle, either this way or this way. Okay, now it is a simple this thing. You can put it and then tighten the screw to adjust the rebound, whatever you want. Okay, this board, very easy collapsible, made out of an old chair, fabricated old rotating chair, nothing but rotating chair. Now you can see it can be just pulled in any direction, and then it can be brought back also here and then placed, and then you can play. This particular board is meant for playing strokes, topspin offensive. So the ball comes here, goes here, goes back and goes back. Ball comes here, goes back and goes back. What you see on this is a yellow mattress, just a sponge cushion taken out of a sofa. It's a high density cushion and it acts as a very nice bouncing for the table tennis ball. I just demonstrate. You need not even fix it on the board. You can just put a gum tape and remove the gum tape. Remove the gum tape on both the sides. Okay. Now see, this is a spot. You can just put it on the back, and then if you want, you can refix it. You need not even put a gum on this. You can just put it and refix the gum tape onto that. I'll show you the bounce is as good as any of the sponge table tennis rubbers. This also gives the same spin and the same speed. Now see a bounce on that. The bounce is very high. The more you bounce, the more faster it goes. The more you bounce, the more faster it goes. And it also takes the spin. You can see the spin, how it takes the spin also. Okay. Now it's simple. It is spin. Now don't want, you can put it back onto your sofa. Otherwise, you can use it for your table tennis. No need of putting gum, as I said. Just place it back. Put the gum tape back. Put the gum tape back. It will hold. Okay. The gum tape will hold the cushion, and you can still play. You can still play by adjusting. The other one, what you are seeing on the table, which I have kept, is for playing, pushing and defense. I will even demonstrate that also, and it's a simple method which I have done. Look at this. This is kept on the table tennis board. This is also similar to that. Only thing is, what I have made is, I have made certain hinges at the back side. You can see the hinges at the back side. There are two locks. You can open it and you can collapse it. You can adjust to any direction you want and then pull it back and start playing. Okay. Only one thing in this. Start playing. Okay. One thing in this. The ball, actually, you have to play the ball to the cushion comes back. So it is a pushing mechanism. You just push it and it goes back. Just push it, it goes back. Just push it, it goes back. Just push it, it goes back. Then you can play the defense. Very easily defense. And if you don't want, you can just remove this and use that for a particular, for the whole table and start playing on this. Okay, now there is a simple mechanism. Anybody can do it. Because of the lockdown period, I being an aged person, I'm not supposed to go out, so I'm practicing this every day morning on this for at least half an hour. I am getting good rallies. I have demonstrated these rallies in my other video which I have uploaded on the YouTube also. You can just see how we can practice on this without any efforts and you still sustain your strokes during lockdown period. Right. Thank you, table tennis lover. Give me a feedback on this. Thank you.